Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're here in Dubai 2008 with Lauren and DJ and Annabelle and Yazzie!
Hey, where's Auntie Pink?
Yay!
Where's Auntie Pink?
You gonna do some tricks for us, girls?
1, 2.
Yay!
Head off and do
Whee!
All right.
Wave at the camera, Lauren! Hey! Alright, now Annabelle!
Ready?
Where's she gone? Oh, there she is!
1, 2, 3. Up and under. 1, 2, 3.
Hey! Good girls! Hey, Annabelle!
Auntie Pink. Where's Auntie Pink?
Good girl. The girls would play.
Ready, girls? Hi.